My parcel has arrived from Supernova. I did block out my address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this open, then I will move it and unpack what's inside it. Because as you can see, this box is really large. And so I am going to have to move it away because otherwise it's going to interfere with the unboxing. So, and I get free fudge because if you order over a certain amount you get a free fudge. So that's going to go nice with my cup of coffee just now. So I'm going to move this out the way and then I will unpack this box. Here is my resonite. It was on special. Oh my goodness, I'm not even going to pick that up. This is 5 kgs, and if you bought a 5 kg, you got a 1 kg free. So that is really exciting. And what is this at the bottom? Oh, that's just my order. So I think that's everything out of here. Okay, that's quite heavy. Right, so I will move this away and then I will go through the box. Oh my goodness. 6 kgs of resonite, which is amazing. Right, so now these are what I have been waiting for. So exciting. Like I did say the other day, I have 7 of their eye candies already. So I have ordered quite a few more. I did order a few other things. These are just your needle tip bottles. I ordered 2 of those. And then these are my markers. And this is what I think is similar to the Rub and Buff. So it's a gold and it's called True Metal. So you put it onto your piece and then you buff it up and it makes it look gorgeous. So there we go. That's that. And then these are my markers. Look how gorgeous that white one is. And the silver. So one is silver and one is white. So that's those. Now let's do these and those. I'll get rid of that box. So we've got that and we've got that and we've got our needle tips. So now let's do these first, because I think I'm not sure if they've mixed up the alcohol inks and the yes. Okay, so alcohol ink, this is the peacock blue, and we have the grass green, we have lemon yellow, black. I didn't know that I'd ordered black because I do have black, but that's fine. A bluish violet, that's going to be nice. Orange, fuchsia, that looks gorgeous. Lime green, and emerald, that's pretty, I like that. And then this one is brown. So there are a few alcohol inks. I actually have printed out a little stand for my eye candy containers, because they are thin little glass bottles. So I have printed out a little stand for them, and I just have to get that attached to the wall so that I can have them in plain sight. I'll be able to see which ones I'm wanting. So now these are, oh, I'm so excited, some of the eye candies. I did order, I think there was 30. I will count them. Oh my goodness. A shame, look how nicely they've packed them. Right, so I'm going to lay them out and then I will go through the colors. So I don't want to take too long, because I did get a message the other day that I take too long to unpack or do my unboxing, and I thought I'd go quite quickly. I have seen some people that take a lot longer than I do with their unboxing, but somebody thought that I take too long, so I don't want to upset them again, so I'll try and go as fast as I can. But unfortunately, sometimes it's the packaging that ends up taking such a long time to undo, and they've packed these so nicely, because these, like I said, they're little glass containers, so I'm assuming that they don't want them to break, so they've packaged them so nicely. Right, so let's go through these. First we have Beetle Blue. That is going to be gorgeous. I can already see that. Beetle Blue Azurite. That is a glitter one. Then we have Carolina Blue. That also looks gorgeous. Carolina Blue. Then we have Ghost Blue. So these are very similar to my Starry Sky alcohol inks, but they're actually a mica. Then we've got 10K Gold, which is really pretty. It's a yellow gold. Fire Orange. I don't have many orange pigment markers, so that's really nice. Then this is Tampopo Yellow. It's also a nice bright yellow. We've got AI Pink or A Pink, really pretty. Then another Ghost, and this is the Ghost Green. So you've got the Ghost Blue and the Ghost Green. Then Matcha Green, really pretty. AO High Blue. We have a dark Oob. It's almost like a purpley color. Then we have Prince Purple, also really pretty. Some of them are more color shift than the others. This is Crimson, really pretty pink. Olive Yellow, so it's more of a green, but it's a yellowy green. We have Dark Ocean Green, really pretty. And then Frost White, so that is more, I would think, to put into the resin to give you that frosty, shimmery look. Then Gauge Green, that's really pretty. That is really pretty. And Zen Gardens, which is also, it's like a white, but it's got a green color shift to it. Okinawa Green, really pretty. hibiscus yellow, kabuki. That is really pretty. I think I've seen people using the kabuki before. So that's really pretty. And then Cayman Budokai. Very strange name. But it's like a purple, also color shift. Then Nebula Green. Really pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. Jasmine. Then we have Gary or Gary. Really, really pretty. That's got a lot of glittery effect to it. Then Sumi Black. And then last but not least, Cooler Gold, which is also a glittery gold. So there we have our set of eye candy colors. 2, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. There's 28 and I have 7. So I am getting my collection up really nicely. I think I said originally there were 79. So I'm getting there. I'm halfway there. So what I was going to do and what I have done already, but I haven't uploaded the video, I'm going to be going through these and use maybe 2, sometimes 3 colors in a video to show you in real life what these colors look like if anybody wants to buy any of the eye candies. You're not sure, because the pictures on some of the websites, they'll show you what it looks like in the pot, but you don't actually get that look of what it looks like once it's been poured in resin. So that is what I'm thinking I'm going to do. So that will just be a short, quick video of showing just the colors and what they look like in an actual resin piece. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It's not actually an unboxing. It was a haul from SUPERNOVA Studio. And let me know what you think of how my collection is going so far. So again, until next time, have a great one.